some summer DIY projects. They are super simple, super easy, and almost everything. I think actually I already had everything I needed for these projects in my house, so you might have some of them already in your house too. So let's celebrate what last little bit of summer we have left, and let's do some projects. Let's do this. We're going to start this off with this super simple DIY Tassel Garland. You're just going to need tissue paper in colors of your choice, scissors, hot glue and glue sticks, and string in the size of the garland that you want. We're going to start with the tissue paper, and we're going to open it up, and then you're just going to take one sheet of tissue paper. I'm going to fold it in half, what I call hamburger folding, but whatever. Fold it in half hamburger wise, and we're going to fold it in half again, and then fold it in half one more time. We're going to take the scissors and we're going to cut, I'm doing about a 1/2 inch strip tassels, but you could totally make these as thin or as thick as you want. And I'm going to leave about 1 inch or 2 at the top to twist to turn into a tassel. Once you have it cut all the way across, we're just going to open it up from one fold, and then we're going to cut it down the middle. Now this is going to give us the makings for 2 tassels. We're going to push one aside and start with just 1/2. Now there are going to be 2 layers to this. We're going to lay it out flat, and as you see there's 2 sheets, but I like to keep them stacked because that's less rolling I have to do. And then I'm going to roll it out slowly. I've got this fast forwarded and straightening out the tassels as I go. Now I'm going to twist in the middle and work my way out just to twist the little top part very tight. Now I'm going to take hot glue, and I'm going to hot glue this piece together. It's just going to take a couple seconds before it starts to dry. Again, straightening out my tassels, trying to keep them as neat looking as possible. Now I'm going to twist this around each other and then put another dab of hot glue at the bottom just to kind of hold the twist together. So that way you have the little loop at the top where you can string it onto your string, and then it holds together to be a beautiful little tassel. Don't glue to your fingers though, if you can help it. You can make as many of these as you want and as many colors as you want, and once you have them all made, you're just going to take your string and string it on there, and you're ready to go. And you can like mix and match your colors and mix it up and make it super cute and personalized to your color scheme. We're going to make these super cute custom canvas art pieces. Definitely super easy. So you're going to use a canvas. I use Scotch tape. Painter's tape would probably work better, but Scotch tape worked just fine. Paint and some brushes. Now I'm just going to take my tape and I'm going to cut it into small strips and write out the name that you want to put on your canvas. Of course I made 2, and then I'm going to take some paint and then just kind of drop little drops on. I don't suggest putting as much as I'm putting here because I way overloaded this down with too much paint, but just a little drop will do, and then just kind of mix it around and add different colors and mix it up and kind of make it look, I was trying to go for collage-y look and kind of abstract-y. So once you completely finish that for both of your canvases, of course you're going to let them dry, and then you're going to peel the tape off. Now because I used Scotch tape, it didn't work completely perfectly, so I just took some white paint and a brush and just kind of straightened out the names a little bit with my little brush and touched it up. Made it look super cute, super easy. This is great for a kid's room, and this is actually even a great project to do with kids and let them paint their own. So yeah, that was that simple, that easy, and that cute. For this project, all you need is some nail polish and some rocks. And luckily, if you live in a place like I do, rocks are free. Just an FYI, in case you were wondering, this is the current situation happening here. Can't see my feet there. And there's my baby. Hey, boo. But anyways, we're on a mission, rock hunting. Now, of course, we're going to try to make our own little DIY geode crystal inspired rocks. So I'm going to collect some rocks that I feel like are thick and will fit perfectly for what I'm doing. Wash them and let them dry because otherwise they're just going to be dirty. Now I'm going to take some nail polish. I prefer a metallic nail polish for this project. I think it turned out super cute. And I'm going to paint the tops of my rocks, of course, in different colors. And I even have some glitter nail polish to touch it up and give that extra crystal look, and it really makes these rocks. So again, we're just going to paint the top of our rocks in different colors of our choices. Now once that's dry, we're going to take our glitter paint and we're going to paint a layer onto the top of the rocks, just in the different colored glitter paints to kind of make it sparkle like a little geode crystal. Those are super in right now, and I hear they're super expensive, so I'm making my own little DIY faux version. Once those are done, you just let them dry and that's it. Super easy to make, and they turned out super cute, I think. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye.